Ang tindi ko. Yung outro, yun din yung intro. Sa kasalukuyan, kamusta kayo Martians? Welcome back to the 365. 365. Proceed.
Alam niyo ba Martians, any form of imaginary, creative endeavors like this will also lead to the activation of yung pagiging creative nyo. Ako, mahilig ako sa laruan, mahilig ako sa ibang bagay, like music. Doon gumagana yung creative part ng utak ko, which also helps me in my content creation. As I was saying, na yun nga, things that actually spark your passion or hobby, anything will help you when it comes to thinking about the process, about the creative stuff that you do. I.e., tama ba yung term ko? Well, which is, kunwari ito, vlogging, pag-compose ng music, anything that sparks your brain, that should help you out. Lakas makalibing alone kahit hindi naman. Aliping sa gigilid mode. I have to do this shit. Lagi kasing sinasabi ng girlfriend ko naglilinis daw siya. Pero ang ginagawa niya, pinupunasan niya ng tissue tsaka ng alcohol yung sahig. Ako sinasabon ko yung sahig, tapos imamap ko ulit. Tapos imamap ko hanggang maging makinang. Ito pwede na ako pasukan dito ng soundtrack. Ikaw ang aking tanging yaman. Parang tangay. Na di lubusang masumpungan. Tapos iiyak kasi nagto-throwback sa buhay. Ang nilikha mo, kariktaan, suliyap ng iyong kagandahan, ika'y hanap sa tuwin na nababaliw na ang potya nitong puso, ikaw lamang ang saya. The things I do for my love. Ika'y hanap sa tuwina nitong puso, ikaw lamang ang saya. Jano Gibbs. Sa ganda ng umaga, nangungulila sa'yo sinta. Di na dapat living alone, living together in the Philippines by Under. Ika'y hanap. Madulas man. Baka madulas tayo man. Tawa ako dito pag nadulas ako. Uy! Ika'y hanap sa tuwin nasa isip ka. Come on. Ang pinagsasabi mo sa akin na mas madalas kang maglinis? Suck on this, bro. Mas malinis ako sa'yo. I am well trained in the art of cleaning. I mean, basically, pwede ka namang i-map to. Pero, iba kasi din yung feeling kapag sobrang super duper linis ng tiles. As in, parang sure na sure kang alam mong malinis. It's not an everyday thing. It could be a once in a month thing. Or, you know, as adults, you have to be responsible for cleaning sa tuhod. Nan talaga. Kaya ako may pinakamalinis na kwarto dito sa Alimansyon. Handcrafted, independently by yours truly. Cleaned by yours truly. Kung ano-ano hinawakan ko dito na may sabon-sabon pa yung kamay ko. Baka po magalit na si Miss Michin. Kasi hindi po ako naglilinis eh. Ayaw po ni Miss Michin ng madumi yung kwarto. Ikaw ang aking... Okay na tong part na to. And then mamapin natin siya. Tapos ayun. Para natin siya kaanlawan ng buo. Tapos ding-ding pati ding-ding lilinisin natin. Ito ang tinitignan nyo dito is this is the OG, the real version of Marco Mars, the cleaning guy. If only I had vlogged my teenage years before, I spent 70% of the time cleaning our house. Kung pinapanood niyo mo man to, ma'am, you all know how it is. Dati, college, bago pa ako pumasok, naglalaba kami basahan, pinag-ihian ni Mimay. Yun, bago pumasok. Every week, tapos pag weekends, naglinis ako ng kwarto nila. Tsaka ng kwarto ko. Yung kwarto ko hindi ko nililinis, pero yung kwarto niya nililinis ko. Be careful. Nakakatawa. Alam mo kung sponsoran man ako ng iMap, 100% ang i-recommend akong map para sa mga household cleaning people is yung iMap. Kasi you can get things actually super done. If you really know how to clean, if you really clean your own home, iMap is the way to go. Hindi man to sponsored ng iMap, pero sobrang solid kasi ng iMap sa paglinis. Sure ball linis. I've been using this map for 10 years, bro. 10 freaking years. Unang anlaw. Unang anlaw, done. BRB. Every unlaw, laba, palit, laba, palit, laba, palit. Kaya bago ko finalize yung sahig, ding-ding muna. Kaya ito kumbaga parang I got this from my teenage years. I used to hate this when I was a teenager. Sobrang hate ko to gawin. But nung naging adult na ako, parang na-OC ako pag parang feeling mo maduming dingding, alam mo, ramdam mo. Kaya ako galit ako sa dugyot eh. Siyempre, pati bintana, nilinisin mo. Isang side muna, isang side, then isang side. And then, voila! Dapat nag-edit na ako ng vlog ngayon para may upload tayo for today, yung upload. Dapat maaga. So, dahil nga sana nag-advance ako if ever, pero hindi ko kasi natapos kahapon. So, yeah. I have to do this. Like, today. Pwede na. Why do I have short arms? Wouldn't it be nice to live together and we wouldn't have to wait so long? Wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? Grabe. Dumating na ako sa point na pati ito kailangan ko nang i-vlog. Pero ano eh, it's really fun content. You know, every once in a while we get to try to do everything. Like from cleaning, to our hobbies, to cameras in general. But now it's the personal stuff that actually gets us, or that actually challenges me from the daily vlog. Kasi if I don't vlog this, it's going to take up my time and hindi ako makakapag-vlog. And then mag-struggle ako mamaya mag-isip ng topic, magdaldal. And why not bring you guys along? So, I'm not just a photographer, I am also a professional cleaner. My name is Letis. Cheese Letis. In the kind of world where we... Ano naman? Matanggal. What guys, this is why ako yung pinaka-best nakatulong ng nanay ko. Credibility. Okay, almost done. Every side done, window, everything. Plano ko dapat magko-compose ako ng kanta today. Ano nangyari? Naglinis. Okay. Aliping sa gigilid mo. But you've been so mad, map. But you've been so out of map. You're just a Game Boy, loving you's a Game Boy. Uy. Say you want me, but I'm out of time. Grabe, iba yung pagod man. Tapos, for sure this week, ang dami nating ganap. And, I'm sending you guys nothing but blessing and abundance kung nakarating kayo sa part ng video na to. It's going to be a really busy month, a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of ganaps, and tapusin ko na tong cleaning and then balikan ko kayo. Grabe. Kahapon pa daw to. Ang foggy. Maambon ba? Oo, maambon nga. Maambon guys.
Kakaiba yung ambon. So, meron akong good news and meron akong bad news. Slightly bad news. Not really bad news, but slightly bad news. So, I just got word na hindi na ako mag-shoot ng podcast nila yung Anti-Support Social Club. Kasi nagkaroon na sila ng offer dun sa Tritone Studios. Partly nakakalungkot, but partly nakakatuwa. And happy ako para sa progress nila. Kasi ayun, na move forward na sila with maganda na nakakuha na sila ng studio. Kasi kailangan nila ma-upgrade yung podcast nila. I mean, like 10 episodes is good and I was there. Tumulong mag-shoot and everything. Masaya ako. Ano naman, ganun din lang talaga. Okay lang naman din. Sino ba naman ako? Marco Mars lang naman ako. Well, wala pa kasi akong studio talaga. Kaya siguro, ayun, nag-decide sila na doon na lang sila sa... At saka na-offer na kasi sila. So, parang alam mo yun, G na yun eh. Partly, syempre, medyo malungkot kasi wala na ako ilo-look forward to ng Thursday. If ever man na wala akong pero kasi natataon din kasi talaga na may shoot ako ng Thursday well, syempre kailangan ko i-prio din kasi money wise, 'di ba? Parang doon tayo sa client muna na nag-book, may bayad kasi I'm shooting the podcast for free and I'm actually helping them out. So far, I mean, yeah, I understood the process, understood the timing, and it's a natural thing. And I've been there, done that a lot of times before. 9 times out of 10, if there's always going to be someone, 9 times out of 10, there's always going to be someone better than you, someone well equipped than you, someone na mayroong mas maraming resources than you. Kaya hindi na bago sa akin yung nangyari. I mean, masaya ako, which is good. I'm rooting for them na sana maging international podcast sila or is number one podcast in Southeast Asia. Sana maging ganun sila. Yun nga lang today, move forward tayo. So, isip tayo ng ganap. And I think I think medyo I'll take my time off for now. Well, not really stop vlog. I love vlogging and ito na ako vlogging na eh. Ito lang yung tatandaan yung mabibigay kong advice sa inyo. Because some of you, my experience nyo to, on a negative viewpoint, pwede nyo itong makita as pinalitan, dahil may mas maganda, dahil may ganito ganyan. There's going to be a lot of reasons on a negative standpoint. But on a positive standpoint, not everyone gets to see it. It's so bright na masyadong nabubulagan lahat at nag-decide na lang tumingin sa negative side. The positive side is actually, mas marami tayong time every Thursday na mag-accept ng shoot, mahanap ng shoot, gumawa ng shoot. And on their side, mas makakapag-focus na sila sa content nila dahil may mag-edit na para sa kanila, may mag-shoot na rin. Full force, may director, mala ABS-CBN style daw, ganon. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie about because darating yung mga questions someday, bakit di ka nag-shoot ng ASSC podcast, ba't di na kayo nagkasama? Okay lang naman, no hard feelings naman. It was a professional business decision. It wasn't personal. Kasi syempre, sino ba namang operang ka ba naman ng isang buong studio ng kompleto gamit, may editor, kompleto camera, kompleto lahat. Malamang mas tatanggapin mo yun. Sino ba naman ako, di ba? Marco Mars lang naman. Nakakaparanggot ang ilaw. Isang camera, may gimbal. But someday, yeah, we're gonna be, ganun yung magiging scale nung business na to. Yung sa akin. We're gonna be getting a warehouse. Gagawa ng studio. Kompleto gamit. Full frame, cinema lahat ng camera. 5 camera setup para malupit. Doon papunta yung roadmap nung ginagawa natin business. Ewan ko, I feel like I just had to share this with you Martians, kasi ayokong mag-vlog nang hindi ako nagiging authentic, nang itatago ko yung nararamdaman ko. Syempre ako parang nalungkot ako ng slight. Nasaktan ako ng slight. But it's okay, I understood kasi it was a pure business decision. It wasn't always... Sa business world kasi talaga hindi laging personal ang mga decisions sa mga tao. Sobrang basic mag-decide ng mga tao, sobrang practical. Laging go for the practical ones. Siyempre, shoot lang naman ako, hindi mo ako nag-edit nun. Sila naman nag-edit nun. Ako, literal na shoot lang, gamit ko lang, ilaw lang, and everything. But, alam mo yun lang naman yung role ko, but pitik-pitik pindot record lang naman. So, yeah, it's okay. It's natural to feel that, like, at some point in our lives, as videographers, photographers, we feel used most of the time. But it's no longer new to me na ganun yung feeling. But hindi naman personal decision yun. We're still good friends. We're still friends. Just so happens na nga talaga sobrang busy ko din talaga as a person, business wise. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, sa lalong madaling panahon, kailangan ko yumaman, kailangan ko gumawa, kailangan kong magsikap dahil may mga pangarap ako, at I'm going magta-30s na ako. So, parang ayoko mas stagnant, ayoko maging komportable, honestly. Kaya, most of the time I'm doing this, I'm editing my projects and looking for more projects, negotiating more projects. Kasi, progress is a must. Bukod sa vlogging is one of our main priorities. Right now, syempre business-wise, kailangan natin mag-focus kasi hindi pwedeng puro vlogging lang. Dapat, kung mawala man ang vlogging, asan ako? Nasa business side of things. Shooting, directing, editing, yung ginagawa ko. Yeah lang, today is a beautiful Sunday, and I guess we have to move forward. We have to be stronger and better, every single day. And I wish nothing but blessing and abundance sa podcast na yun. And of course, kung nakaabot kayo sa part ng video na to, ang sakit ng katawan ko. Napagod ako maglinis. Dito ko na muna tatapusin yung vlog. Sa pagkatapos, that is for this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe para may good vibes. I'm sending you guys nothing but blessing and abundance. Yeah. Kita-kits tayo. Later. Tomorrow. Peace out.